Hello everybody, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you guys how I made this metallic 2D Afrocentric wall art. So these are what you need for this tutorial. You need the wooden frame, satin fabric, you need lining definitely, and you need this metallic cardboard paper. I'll tell you where to get them. Then you need this cutout, designs and all that. And I also need hammers and some nails. So I'm going to start by attaching the fabric to the wooden frame. I'm using Tack nails. These are very small nails. If you can get smaller nails, it will be better. So I'm attaching them. I'm just like, trying to use the black satin fabric to wrap around the frame. So I have another video tutorial where I walk you guys on how to lay the fabric around the frame. I take my time in that video, show you how to go about it very well. I'm going to upload that video too into this class, so you can go back and watch that video too. It's the same process, but just that one is with Ankara fabric, and this one, it has to be satin fabric. You can use any color of satin for your 2D artwork, so it depends on you. So now this is my cutout. This cutout is like an afro cutout. I'll explain better how to get this cutout. But I just want to talk about the glossy cardstock paper. That is the paper at the bottom. I turned it upside down, so that's why it's not kind of shiny. The back is not shiny. So I'm going to place my drawing on top, and when you are placing your drawing, you want to also turn it upside down too. Don't forget that. So I'm just tracing the the cutout on top of the cardstock paper, the back of the cardstock paper. And the cardstock paper, you can find it in some really big bookshops. I'm going to post samples. Actually, mine, I kind of imported mine, but since you are working with just a few for now, you can get it around. You can get it in really big bookshop that sells good cardstock papers. For those of us in Nigeria, I have a page that sells it. I'll add their Instagram link, or okay. So, but I'll just show you better picture of how it looks like, and I'll also add the link to get it from Amazon. But if you go around good bookshops, for other countries, just go around and show them the sample. You might be able to get it. Okay, and so it's glossy, it's really nice, it's good for this 2D art. So I'm just tracing it, and after tracing, I'm going to begin to cut it using my scissors. I'm going to show you guys a sample of where to get this these designs, the comb and the hair, any kind of design you want is available online. So I'll include it too in the class. So now I'm trimming this out. You want to take your time to do this, because it's sometimes it's kind of a bit taxful because it has bends and all that. So just take your time and follow the lines and just cut it the right way. Don't rush, just do it gently. The next thing is to apply my fabric glue at the back, and you want to apply it very well, before you lay it on top of the frame. So once I lay it, I turn it upside down and try to smoothen it out from the back. And when you're doing that, you see the shape of what you glued coming out. You know that it is being laid. If you have a hand dryer, you can use a hand dryer to fasten the drying process. Yes, I would advise you to do that. Use a hand dryer to dry it from the back, so it stay glued. It stays glued very fast, rather. to add lining to the back of the frame. You can also use paper, like brown paper for the back if you don't want to use lining, or any other kind of fabric you feel you would like to use for the back. So I'm using lining. It's the same process. I make sure I fold both ends and I use my tack nails to attach it. And after that, I attach my hook at the middle if I'm hanging it. But this one, I'm not hanging, I'm just placing like on a ledge or on a table or something. So I didn't add any hook to it. So that's just it. This is really easy. But what you should focus on is ensuring that your fabric is well laid, like it's dragged. You have to drag it very well. Like you see these rumples there, they're not supposed to be there. You have to just drag it very, very, very well. Okay? Drag it as much as you can. And make sure the front too is flat. That way it looks like a canvas. You guys know what a canvas is. Yes, you can also use a canvas for this, but this is like a more affordable way to go about this. Okay, you can use a canvas and spray it any color you want. Canvas usually comes in white color, I guess, but I decided to use this because it's more affordable and it looks almost like a canvas, because when you drag it as much as you can, it looks very, very smooth and it looks like a canvas. Okay, so that's it. So I'm gonna see you guys in the next tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I'll be willing to answer your question as fast as I see them.